Alrighty traders, hello everyone. This is John Howell here. Let's get into a market update on what happened across the markets today. Some really interesting stuff right now. The S&P 500, or the stock market, I believe, is probably getting poised for another move higher. Before I start, guys, make sure you grab this brand new trading course that I've created for free. It's 4 parts. The very first link in the description, you can grab that. Go do that right now. So the stock market, let's start off with the good old Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq is actually holding here quite strong. And one thing that I'm noticing right now is the market is very strong on the upside. And we're getting a bit of a pullback, but we're not getting a big pullback. I personally was expecting to see much more of a bigger pullback than we're getting right now. This tells me that the market's actually quite strong. And this tells me that we could be getting ready for another move to the upside. We could see that we're just sort of holding here. So one thing I'm seeing right now is I've seen this many times where the market goes up and then suddenly what happens is we then start to go sideways through here. And then if we start to break, if we have another move to the upside like this here, break to the upside, that tells me we're probably getting ready for another move to the upside. Excuse me. So yeah, looking at this Nasdaq right now is that, again, because we're in such a strong market right now, and we are in December, that we may not get much of a pullback at all. We are still pretty far away from the moving average, but we're in such a strong market right now. So this may just be a very short-term pullback we're getting right now before we get a break and another move to the upside on the Nasdaq. Let's go look at the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones, very strong move to the upside, right? Very strong move to the upside. Still a little pause through here, so I'm actually expecting more of a pullback or pause out of the Dow Jones, only because it's had such a big up move from here. Look at this here, very strong up move from there to there. Very strong up move. So because we've had so much more of an upside compared to the S&P and the Nasdaq, I'm probably expecting a bit more of a pullback through here, a bit more of a sideways movement or a bit more of a pullback out of the Dow Jones, because we've had such a big move here. But I do believe this whole big thing here is the start of what I believe is going to be an incredible move to the upside. And looking at the S&P 500, same sort of thing with the S&P 500. We're in such a strong market through here. Very strong market through here. We're going sideways through here. If we get a break up like that, we're probably going to go for another big, strong move to the upside from there. Let's go look at the gold and silver markets from here. So what's happening with the gold market? The gold market's had a little bit of an extra follow through on the gold market from here, but I do see gold not having much more of a pullback, and I believe we're probably going to create another higher low. You can see we had this low point down here. Right, low point down there. And then we can see that we had this higher low here. And now guess what? Guess what's coming next? Right, we're probably going to create another higher low here soon. Up, down, and then away we go. So this point through here, I believe is going to be, I believe this is just a bit of a shake and bake. They've gone up, first breakout. And now we're probably having this pullback in the markets right now, and a very short-term pullback. This very short-term pullback before we see another really big move to the upside. So I don't believe this is going to be a crash or anything like that. I believe it was a fake out, short-term pullback, and then away we go with gold. Moving on now through to silver as well too. Silver, I did actually put up this yesterday, so I'm expecting a pullback down towards the 50% level of this entire move up, and that's exactly what happened today. But I'm in the same camp as gold, right? That I don't believe we're going to have much of a pullback through here. I believe this is a low, and I believe we're going to create a higher low here soon. And as you can see, look at this here. We've completely broken out of this downward leg through here, as you can see. Bam to the upside, came up, came down. So now I'm expecting, if I take everything off the screen, I'm expecting low, higher low, and now I'm expecting what? Through here, I'm expecting another higher low from that there. Move on out through to the GDX here, just a little bit of a pullback through here once again, guys. But trying to short the gold mining sector now will be very risky, because we are now in what I believe is going to be the start of a very strong bull market when it comes to the GDX. And let's go look at the silver mining sector through here. Once again, guys, very short-term drop through here, but I am expecting to see this thing again, just a very short-term pullback before we see another big strong leg to the upside. So there we go, traders. Hope this helps you out. Quick little update for you guys. Once again, guys, if you'd like to really get a good understanding, make sure you grab my brand new 4-part trading course. That's first thing in the description. If you do really want to make 2024 the best year, then I've got some spots open for my private coaching program for all of 2024. It's a 12-month coaching program. That's that second link in the description there, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.